Kind of hurts her arm.
Here we are again. We're pressing the bearing out. Couple little cranks. Make sure it's all straight.
Well, that's good. You're doing Jeffy now, right? Because you have to be a moron to push your pole for you. He's been so mentally retired.
Presses it out. Hopefully it didn't do what the other one did. There we go.
That's a good machine, huh?
It's an expensive machine.
That's it. Now to go and get stuff, give up. That's what you're good at.
Which it did the same thing.
There's all the
See,
bearings.
the bearings are right in here. So what's going to have to happen, these are worn out, is that I have to take a grinder, put a nick in it here, and put a nick in it here. That way this ring will come off, because I don't have an air chisel. With the inside underneath the disc, it doesn't actually have a ring. These 3 bolts are taken off,
Yeah, this will be
and then it's pressed out again. This whole bearing will pop right out. Okay, we'll come back to that.
Oh, Lord.